What's better than Taco Tuesday? How about stuffed avocado Tuesday? Avocados are a superfood, and they're so much healthier for you than taco shells or corn shells or flour shells. This is a great way to eat your favorite Tex-Mex in an avocado. I've been wanting to try this recipe for a while. I love avocados, and I've seen on Pinterest, actually of all places, different stuffed avocado recipes, and one of them you actually bake it and bake the avocado once it's stuffed. But I understand that avocados change taste and texture when they're cooked, so I'm not sure if I'm ready to go that route or not. This one is just going to be a stuffed avocado with taco meat that you're just going to stuff and eat on the spot. So I've taken a pound of organic beef and cooked it and drained it, and I've added taco seasoning mix to it. You can use taco seasoning mix that you can buy in the grocery store, or you can use homemade, and this is mine that I make, and this recipe is available on YouTube also in one of the tips and tricks categories, so if you don't have it, please look for it. So I've heated the meat that's been seasoned with the taco seasoning. Set it back here, and now all I need to do is to half an avocado. It's my understanding that avocados are really, really good for you, but you shouldn't eat more than a half of an avocado a day because they are so fattening. So this one's quite ripe. If I can get the seed out. Come on. There it goes. So I also want to scoop just a little of the pulp out. Not too much, just to make room for a little bit more of the beef mixture. So this recipe will feed 6 people with 3 avocados and 1 pound of ground beef. We add a little meat to my avocados. Fill them pretty full. Hope that they want to stand up. Squish it a little bit. There it goes. You can also cut just a little sliver off the back of the avocado if you want to make it stand up easier. So all I'm going to do now is top it with a little bit of Chihuahua cheese. You can use Tex-Mex, jalapeno jack, whatever you want. And instead of putting it in the oven, I do want my cheese melted. I'm going to stick it in the microwave for just a few seconds. Not a big microwave cook, but I'm up for melting cheese and boiling water in the microwave. Cheese is almost melted. Okay. So cheese is just a little melty. Oops. And I'm going to top it with, let's see, a little bit of sour cream. Some black olives. Some chopped green onion, some diced tomatoes, and a couple of fresh cilantro leaves. And they are ready to eat.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbycovington.com.